Brown your meat, adding 1.5 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of black pepper next. Add 324 ounces Barilla sauce, roasted garlic. Let your meat simmer for 20 minutes at low heat. In the large pan, mix your farmer's cheese with 1 cup of fresh parsley. In large pot, bring to a boil your lasagna macaroni. Grease a large baking tray with butter, then place a layer of lasagna noodles on a baking sheet. Keep alternating layers of meat and farmer's cheese on till you reach the top layer of your lasagna, then sprinkle it with mozzarella cheese. Next, bake the lasagna in 400 degrees for about 20 minutes or golden brown. Make sure that you let it rest for 20 minutes before you cut. Serve with Parmesan cheese and marinara sauce. You can also sprinkle some fresh parsley for great taste.